Now officially, City are confirming say Oma sign a boy there from Nottingham Forest. And when there was a breakthrough between the negotiations between Nottingham Forest and Manchester City. Oma tell there no. Now I could see 160 million pounds. Or therefore, story
Enzo Maresca no na this ejuma no City sa.
Sa kola we na deal even if it is spec. Na nke be ko true.
Okay.
Because it's one of those names and now Oma Domless swatch it.
Okay.
Papa. Sa transfer we. And there are very huge monetary issues as in between the media fraternity.
Yeah.
There are so many people among media anymore. They are reporting different figures. And no more because figures no are from two different sources. Back we are from Nottingham Forest. Back we are from City. Time I done breaking, you know. There were reports to say, "New boy, 130 million pounds." That means that the second is going to be a British record for a signing. That means that over British history, you need to play a BR, that award and then. So for 130 million pounds, that's what I'm they pay. Then later, anything say, City for instance, you move fee because now not for us for they say it is going to be up to 130, meaning say a signing on a straight up fee and your friend fixed fees no plus bonuses. I'm raising 130 million pounds. But later, yet say City for they say bonus beyond home. And to walk out 160 million pounds. And the man not for us, meaning say a fixed fee of 160 million pounds. BBN wrong. But I don't call a record for Manchester City. And it's how we know. So when you sign officially, he's going to be the highest signed player onto City. Because Jack Grealish, they're not 100 million pounds. We could do 160 million pounds. And still now, I don't know Isaac there now. What they call Liverpool is still the British record. Berapa, yen kind of credit Elliot Anderson, Papa, 160 million pounds. I'm saying. 160.
I don't know. Pastor Francis.
I'm saying.
Japan Motia of Sunlight City Church. Say no. They ain't going to play. You might know me. Yabroswa. Ojo no sports now. Near man pet sports and say. Figures na yabono. And Oprah Menchia, Pastor Francis in Japan, the founder of Sunlight City Church. Yamisha. Any
Bruno Monom. Okay, every age back out it.
Yeah.
But Bruno. Even right now.
Now Bruno, nobody says say 2 years of about more effectively. No, we're in team Mumukota.
The likes of Enzo Fernandez, Monomono. How much are you going to buy those players?
But you go for the same market, you know. Near to be moved.
116 million pounds. Apa you do? Elliot Anderson. I understand, sir. Malinakis, no, the owner of Nottingham Forest is a very hard bargainer. Or no bargainer de la muerte. But 116 yeah, and a braca. But he signed. Yami Adama and England for a question on medical.
Method man said this amount is for Declan Rice.
Declan Rice. Also, Declan Rice 106 million pounds.
And like I say, so type of people no deserve says.
Oh yes, 116 up our flowing car cost 80 million pounds. Because emu. But I said England for a question and they medicals. City for doctors USCCA and I be a man acquire more medicals no or pass a City for me confirm it. Say a branch from Elliot Anderson I be sign it and so Eddie Amomo and it's a very he's a good player. I would say that. I'm against Ghana no very good player. But upon Bono is highly inflated. Highly inflated.
Ebeka ko be menu mu de Real Madrid meet me too. Well, I said now United apart from Real Madrid, why not United better go
okay.
So twice you say yeah.
Oh yes.
Indeed you should know. And a business and so there. You bet me United is a business near Real Madrid.
That is okay. Or for Marco Palestra, and no, they didn't come out for Chelsea. Say Chelsea for could 55 million euros. And the amount Atlanta cover boy from Italy. Enra and a boy Arabi do UK. Because Atlanta for one man who quite say Ome medical no. And Tiaha a Italian airport. And a boy any free one or PM. And we do and run a joke. And then obey the medicals no pass a pet Chelsea for and Sebeka the Italian fullback. Akolano very young but very good. Yeah, where how Zabi Alonso will be able to transform this boy into an extraordinary player. where you bumpire and say Abia and those other Italian boys now be PML or England, I won't born a quaby or no. But this guy here, when the games of Atlanta, fullback, wing backs with him, so we are looking at how he's going to get settled at Chelsea. That's I said, plan I'll be do UK, or completing medical and there, or complete. I mean, he said the 55 million euros bargain now, it was struck between Chelsea and a club from Atlanta. No, Chelsea for sure said here, now boy, I'll be see a kind, and my club now, you're friend Chelsea. Enzo Fernandez, or for Madrid for and now do advanced negotiations on personal terms. Personal terms has never been a problem. Name about there, Sikasem, you have to get away to strike it. Madrid for as I said, the boy needing come up. Uncommodity mono. Enzo said the only club will pay Real Madrid. If he's leaving Chelsea, he wants Real Madrid. And only Jose Akasa, I'm Jose, they go ahead, no. Wakati Madrid from paying for say the midfielder he needs. I branch from Enzo Fernandez. So Madrid for us as here, I'm need the personal terms on come up. I'm now proceed Chelsea. But Chelsea phone you say Madrid for Enzo we didn't come up. Because there's a very good relationship between Madrid and Chelsea. So Chelsea are informed. Say Amoni Enzo didn't come up on personal terms. Now move your personal terms now. They will approach Chelsea with a bid. Now you see idea Amun Yankoi. But the mate the Chelsea for club no are expecting around 120 million euros. And also now I think a crap because 120 Madrid difficult. So minimum how they going to go. Yes, say market no market na akese. So if this yes, if you are going for a player na okita the quality of Enzo Fernandez and you free now offer no a this kind of the area you're going to pay about 100 million euros. And now Chelsea are demanding 120 million euros. And then Comodeno Busua Ekoso, you're going to see whether or movie personal terms now they will come back and speak about branch now. Enzo Fernandez.
Dr. Brown, say chairman, money is talking. Yeah. Money is talking. Albert Ajenwo or say good morning, Papa. Good morning, bro. Zikadia Kasako Vita Brown because when you do maybe I sense and Jumana, you want to talk more warning, no mujidi.
Yeah.
They say they will say, for us, you will be near for watching
a trooper.
Or send your sis, name Musia, you know. Would you all found on Quadia, Mr. GD? Yeah. We need watching us.
Well, Emma officially married for now inform me, Komu. Say, Omo Joma Colana, if they go past, Omo General. Officially, they've been informed. Time married for the Lico Pass Emma Komuno. Omo catch you, say. Within 3 years, say Aquana Oma be Fadwa, Oma 9 million euros and Makumu. And in last year, summer transfer no will be Newcastle for the 70 million euros. Eko come for catch almost say says Karamun to menje because Madrid for a buyback clause e wa kwaren deal no. And then Madrid for na inform me almost say Oma 9 million euros na e buyback clause no aje wa kola no. That color deal is very complicated because come on, we're trying to do something. They are mad for any angel. Say, see, boy, and Joseph Marina Casa. I'm a Joseph informing and say, on your first team starting role, and farmer.
Any Oma.
Mama Joji, on man started, on to guarantee starting. So, Obi about starting games on guarantee. No, I'm a quite class. Also, Bobby Edge, no one. He wants to develop more. And on Franco Mastantuono example. Mastantuono will river plate, no? Not a budget for national team, no. But after some free on, no, I can't yet team mobile. They can walk up. Franco Mastantuono count. And then cannot dream, no. And the person say, oh, her son is here, and yet, Mamma Colano, oh, Mamma 1 year being count. Therefore, come on, foreign found a way to get to a Montevonico pass. I can't tell you, sir. Opa kacha Madrid for you chama na woman ka wani en kan we ana woman ntena but this year obi is Madrid for ya rebel so they need money omu yeska enti enno na Madrid for ko komo for ho no oba kacha omu say any problem bia if you want a brand for the passes to stay your mom until Monday you reach 9 million euros na dia mamo nemo according say ya turn outside ya turn na Momo de musica 60 million euros. And the most of you come Now mo Nico passer. Come and pay 60 million euros for us and take the boy. Come 60 million euros that per head. Come can pay that amount of money. Come with me.
Come no or the 60 no over trying.
I said, what for you before? Because come we're trying to induce the boy in some way.
Yeah.
Akata said, Kakata man for some Kumuna. Man for some money problem. If you want to play Kumu, Kumu should come and pay 60 million euros.
But you see, club or no fin or Fefeba. Nisika Semunya tables, I say, waiting to compete.
But play any one there.
Mudia, but so dear.
And if me, I'm not a player, I mean, I'm a player.
You see, as the Cafona, they be a Musim Crano. Moving you.
Or what's out
but that's what do you want to know? Ubeja, Diana man, you be a friend or Obama on Zobo Brano. Was a Medicassi yo, and then Mahodia, me walk, ACC. What's a player also for this system? What's a player who could this system? Papa,
I'm going to say, last year, Tottenham for Tana Quanquan developing Ruseno. Tottenham were trying to pay 70 million euros.
And we had then Tottenham. Oh, yeah, what Tia Quader you, Ujan say, oh, no, before the mark, what added something to our
parents will have more, so won't go to Champions League.
Yes, I have.
I think I send me play. I'm not I'm giving you first refusal. So I'm giving you a deal of 60 million euros.
When we are saying, I'm going to come out for some music and cash. At least once already now to on crown and wedding. Now the trying. Then no one shops the who do a name of what the den on now you're dang. Young Guana Mova.
This boy, I want a value. And I want a value based on money for evaluation. I said, about 60 million euros.
Okay.
As I speak to you now, there is club by a friend on Inter. We are ready to pay 70 million euros for the pass. Oh yes, Inter are ready. As of right now, oak tree for Zanetti mo, making movement, and there's a very good relationship between Zanetti and Papa. Pablo pass. Oh, Papa say on Colabi or Papa for every Papa, me ready a player.
Then we are communication.
Papa, and come on, I'm not me, Dibi. Obi a coaches call baby. Obi to baby see on my friend or send me pisca or see on Nibi. Papa, who don't want to say me. But basically, I'm complaining, say, Panama. You can't do that.
I don't know.
It's not your money, it's my money.
Obi and Cobeto. Wouldn't you say, as in as much as who's a player and Abua club? Yes, club and Abuana.
Yes, and it's a win-win situation. And also, Saturday means it's soon. Mama first refusal. Come and pay 60 million euros. So, who's in your boy now? Fan, what means ya? Let me go and sell to someone who has money.
Okay, Monfan.
Yes, and you say, come on. Up a year, pa. Come on, let's say, come on, the is 60 million. But any other club will be between 70 to 80 million. It's simple. And now, come on, for no, I'm more up until Monday. Some catch a mother for and says, 60 million, I'm okay, you're into me. Come on now, send me a number to Perry, number Perry Cobo. Thank you. Some guys on a born, Perry born, I had in Buppy, and I say, and on your intention.
Papa Enzo will be a better profile for the Madrid system.
Yes, that's true.
Millie D,